Rip entered the outskirts of his village. Outskirt means boundary, means he entered his village. And to his utter surprise, even his village has changed. उसने ये पाया कि उसका गांव भी पूरी तरह से बदल गया था. How can it be possible? एक रात के अंदर अंदर ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि वो एक रात वो अपने गांव नहीं आया और अगले दिन जब वो अपने गांव पहुंचता है तो वो देखता है कि वो खुद भी बदल गया है. His beard had grown 1 foot long. His body is not as agile, as active as he had. Usually he was a very active and young man, but now he was seeing that his body had become so stiff, and even his village was looking different, which was strangely altered. Altered means changed. He found out that his village had changed. गाँव भी बदल गया है. It was now larger and more populous. दिखने में उसका गाँव बहुत बड़ा लग रहा था, पहले से ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा था. एंड इट वॉज मोर पॉपुलस मीन्स क्राउडेड. मोर पीपल, ऐसा लग रहा था दैट मोर पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन दिस विलेज. हिज फेमिलियर हॉन्ट्स हैड डिसअपियर्ड. द हाउसेज विच ही हैड सीन इन दिस विलेज हैड डिसअपियर्ड. पुराने घर गायब हो चुके थे. विद इन वन नाइट इट हैड हैपेंड विद रिप वैन विंकल. ही हिमसेल्फ हैड चेंज्ड एंड हिज विलेज हैड चेंज्ड. No, there was no old house visible. Everything was new. It had become larger and more crowded. Instead, there were rows of houses which he had never seen before. He saw some new houses in his village, and he was extremely surprised. He was not understanding what was happening to him. वो सोच रहा है कि मेरे साथ ये सब अजीब सा हो रहा है. एक सुबह मैं उठता हूँ, मेरी दाढ़ी बड़ी हुई है, मैं एक बूढ़े आदमी की तरह फील कर रहा हूँ. मैं अपने गांव आता हूँ तो मुझे कोई पुराने घर दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. आई एम सीइंग एवरीथिंग इन अ न्यू लाइट. There are new houses and there are more people in my village. My village appears to be larger than before. What has happened? That drink last night, thought Rip, has addled my poor head sadly. Please underline this thought. It's very important for reference to context. Rip thought, that drink last night, I drank that alcohol last night. मैंने कल रात को वो ड्रिंक पिया था और बहुत ज़्यादा पी लिया था. Maybe this is why it has addled my poor head sadly. This is why this kind of confusion is there. Maybe it is the side effect of that drink which I drank last night. Maybe because of this I am feeling everything so strange and I am so confused. Rip entered his house. It was empty, apparently abandoned. He called loudly for his wife and children. There was nothing but silence. The villagers had gathered round him, but Rip could not recognize anyone. So finally Rip entered his village and it was also looking empty, apparently abandoned. जब वो अपने घर पे कदम रखता है तो उसे अपने घर पे कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. It was completely empty, isolated. Nobody was there in his house. He called loudly for his wife. He called out, "Dame, where are you? I have come back." But nobody gave him any answer. He could not see his wife. He could not see his children. There was nothing but silence. And when the villagers heard him calling the name of his wife, they all got together outside his house. गांव के लोग उसके घर के बाहर इकट्ठे हो गए और उसे अजीब ढंग से देखने लगे. कोई भी उसे पहचान नहीं पाया. At this moment, a young woman with a child in her arms pressed through the throng to take a look at him. The child began to cry when he saw Rip's strange appearance. Now, out of this crowd which was standing outside Rip's house, रिप के घर के बाहर जो गांव वाले इकट्ठे हुए थे, उस भीड़ में से throng मीन्स क्राउड, pressed through the throng means came out from the crowd a young woman. इस भीड़ में से एक young lady बाहर निकल के आई. There was this young woman. She had carried a child in her arms, and that child began to cry when he saw Rip's strange appearance. This is how Rip was looking like. He was looking horrible. ऐसे लग रहा था कि कितने सालों से ना वो नहाया था, ना उसने अपने कपड़े बदले थे, ना उसने अपनी शेव की थी. सो जब इस बच्चे ने, जो उस लेडी के हाथ में जो वो बेबी था, वो बेबी उसे देख के रोने लगा. He got afraid of seeing this strange man. Hush, Rip, she cried. The old man won't hurt you. Please underline this dialogue. Hush, Rip, the old man won't hurt you, she cried. When this small child started crying on seeing the strange appearance of Rip Van Winkle, then this lady said, "Hush, Rip." What was the name of this young child? The name of this young child was also Rip. Here she is saying, "Hush, Rip." She is not talking to Rip Van Winkle. She is talking to her child who was crying at that moment. She said, "Hush. Keep quiet. No need to cry. This old man won't hurt you. तुम्हें इस बूढ़े आदमी से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है." The name of the child and the tone of his mother's voice awakened a train of recollection in Rip Van Winkle's mind. What does it mean? Please underline it. Awakened a train of recollections in Rip Van Winkle's mind. Suddenly a series of memories. What does it mean? A train of recollection. A series of memories. पुरानी यादें एकदम से, जैसे ट्रेन चलती है एक के बाद एक, उसे पुरानी यादें दिखाई देने लगी अपने सामने. He could recognize the voice of that woman who was talking to her child. He was thinking, how is it possible that this child is also Rip. My name is also Rip, and this baby's name is also Rip, and this voice of this lady is quite familiar. I am quite familiar with the voice of this woman. मैंने ये आवाज़ पहले सुनी है. और वो सारी यादें उसके माइंड में आने लगी. उसने अब उस लेडी से उसके बारे में पूछा. He said, "What is your name?" asked Rip. "Judith Gardner," said the woman. "And your father's name?" Rip Van Winkle was his name. Please underline this dialogue, very important for reference to context. Rip Van Winkle was his name, but it's 20 years since he went away from home. He has never been heard of since. His dog came back without him. I was then a little girl. So Rip asked this woman, "What is your name?" And that girl said, "My name is Judith Gardner." And Rip was shocked. It was his daughter. But जब वो उसने घर छोड़ा था तब उसकी बेटी बहुत छोटी थी, और एक रात में ही उसकी बेटी इतनी बड़ी हो गई. And she had a son also whose name was also Rip. So he was completely surprised. He said, "What is your father's name?" And that woman said, "Rip Van Winkle was the name of my father, but it's been 20 years since he had went away from home." 20 साल पहले मेरे फादर घर छोड़ के गए थे हंटिंग करने, और आज तक वो लौट के वापस नहीं आए. He has never been heard of since. His dog came back without him. That evening, when my father left home, his dog had also gone with him. The dog came back to home, but my father didn't came back, and it was 20 years ago. I was then a little girl. और रिप वैन विंकल के पैरों तले ज़मीन खिसक गई. एक रात के अंदर उसने अपनी लाइफ के 20 years जी लिए. He was sleeping, and within one night 20 years of his life had passed. Now he had come back to his village. He could see everything has changed. He himself have changed. He had a long beard, grey beard. He had turned into an old man, and there was nobody in his home. And suddenly he is seeing his daughter, जो एक छोटी लड़की थी, वो भी अब बड़ी हो गई, क्योंकि 20 years एक रात में रिप वैन विंकल की लाइफ के 20 ईयर्स गुजर गए और वो हैरान था ये देख के दैट नाउ इवन हिज डॉटर हैड टर्न्ड इनटू अ वुमन एंड शी हैड अ सन. वेयर इज योर मदर? नाउ रिप वैन विंकल आस्क्ड अबाउट हिज वाइफ. वेयर इज योर मदर? ओह, शी डाइड सम टाइम अगो. To his utter shock, he found out that even in these 20 years, so much have been changed in his life. Even his wife, जिससे बच के वो हमेशा जंगल में शिकार करने निकल जाता था, उसकी वो वाइफ भी उसे छोड़कर चली गई थी. She had died some time ago. And he was very, very sad and very, very shocked. Within one night, 20 years of his life have passed. I am your father, young Rip Van Winkle once, old Rip Van Winkle now. So because nobody in the village was able to recognize him, because now he had turned into an old man, so he told his daughter, I am your father, Rip Van Winkle. I am that man who had left this this village 20 years ago, and now I have come back. I was once a young Rip Van Winkle. When I left this village, that time I was a young man, but now when I have returned back, I am an old man. Sure enough, it is Rip Van Winkle. Welcome home again. Where have you been these 20 long years? Please underline this dialogue is also important for reference to context. One of the old women standing out in the crowd, she recognized him. एक बूढ़ी औरत जो रिप वैन विंकल को पहले से जानती थी, उसने रिप वैन विंकल को पहचाना. She could recognize him and she said, yes, this man is not lying. This man is not telling a lie. This man is telling you the truth. He is Rip Van Winkle. Then he welcomed him. He said, welcome home, Rip Van Winkle. But where have you been these 20 long years? We could not see you. तुम 20 सालों बाद आ जा रहे हो. Where had you been throughout these 20 years? Rip related his strange experience to them. Rip related means Rip told them what had happened to him. Rip told them that one day it was as if last night I went for hunting and I reached the top of the Catskill mountain. There I saw a strange man. That strange man took me to a strange place where I saw some strange fellows. Then I drank a particular drink, some alcohol. मैंने एक drink वहाँ पे पिया and I fell into a deep sleep. And when I woke up, I found out that 20 years of my life have passed. I have turned into an old man, and then I came back to this village and I saw that even this village has changed. There was nobody in my house, and even my daughter who was a young girl, जब मैं घर छोड़ के गया था तो मेरी छोटी सी जो बेटी थी, आज जब मैं घर वापस आया हूँ, she had also turned into a woman. Now he told about this strange experience to them. It was Peter Vanderdonk, the most ancient inhabitant of the village, who affirmed that the Catskill Mountain had always been haunted by strange beings. So it was Peter Vanderdonk. Peter Vanderdonk was the oldest man in this village. बहुत पुराने ज़माने से, बहुत सालों से वो एक बूढ़ा आदमी था जो इस गांव में रह रहा था. He affirmed, he told them that yes, Rip Van Winkle is not telling a lie. Catskill Mountain is a haunted place. वहाँ पे Catskill Mountain में अंधेरा होने के बाद जो भी जाता है उसके साथ कोई ना कोई डरावनी घटना घटती है, और शायद इसीलिए रिप वैन विंकल के साथ भी ये सब हुआ. उसे शायद कोई अजनबी लोग किसी अजनबी जगह ले गए और उन्होंने उसे एक ऐसा ड्रिंक पीने को दिया जिस ड्रिंक को पीने के बाद उसे नींद आ गई, और जब वो नींद से उठा तो उसे ये पता लगा कि उसकी लाइफ के 20 साल गुजर चुके थे और वो अब एक बूढ़े आदमी में बदल चुका था. सो इट वॉज पीटर वैंडरडोंक, द ओल्डेस्ट inhabitant, resident of this village, who told that it is true Catskill Mountain had always been haunted by strange beings. Means it was a haunted place. ये एक डरावनी जगह थी जहाँ पे इस तरह की डरावनी घटनाएं घटती हैं. Rip's daughter, who was married to a farmer, took her father home where Rip lived happily. So Rip Van Winkle's daughter took him with him. Now she was married to a farmer, so because his wife had died, so his daughter took him with them, and he started living with his daughter and her family happily. So this was the story Rip Van Winkle. Very interesting story. It is based on a supernatural experience which was experienced by Rip Van Winkle, how 20 years of his life had passed away. When he had left the village, he was a young man, but when he came back to his village, he had turned into an old man, and 20 years of his life had passed. His wife had also passed away, and now his village had also changed. Everything in his life had changed. Going to the Catskill Mountain was a very strange experience for Rip Van Winkle. So it's an interesting story, students. Please do read it on your own now, because I have read it for you. You can play these videos again and again, and side by side you can give a self reading to these passages, and then you will be able to understand the story more clearly, and you will be able to remember who said which dialogue, right? So please go through these dialogues also, because these dialogues are very important for your reference to context. And in case you have any problem, then you can contact me. I am there to help you. Thank you so much.